So dear students, so you're going to learn some techniques of differentiation. Okay, so far we integrated some simple functions. Now you are going to learn some techniques of differentiation, so which enable us to integrate somewhat difficult problems. The prominent methods of integration are: one is the integration by substitution, next integration by parts, next integration by using partial fractions, integration by substitution. Now we are going to reduce the given integral by simple one by changing the variable to new one. So very simple statement you are going to learn. So let integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus constant. Integral of f of ax plus b dx, that's equal to 1 by a into f of ax plus b plus constant, where here so a is not equal to 0. Okay, so here I am going to change the variable. I am going to introduce the variable t in place of ax plus b. So let ax plus b, this is equal to t. Now differentiating t with respect to x. So dt by dx is equal to, so a into d by dx of x is 1, a into 1, d by dx of x is equal to 1, a into 1, that is a, plus d by dx of constant, that is 0. So this is equal to a. Okay, so dt by dx is equal to a into d by dx of x. D by dx of x is 1, 1 into a, d by dx of constant, that is 0. So dt is equal to a into dx. That means dx is equal to, so 1 by a into dt. Here, so a is not equal to 0. Now, so integral of, so f of ax plus b dx, this is equal to integral of, so ax plus b is equal to t, that is f of t, and dx is what, 1 by a into dt. So I write 1 by a on outside, so is a constant, so 1 by a into integral of, so f of t dt. So integral of, so f of x dx is equal to, so f of x plus constant, so this is equal to 1 by a into, so f of t plus constant, so that's equal to 1 by a into, so f of, what is t, ax plus b, that's a 1 by a into f of ax plus b plus constant, say I write c. So if, so integral of f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c, then integral of f of x plus b, f of x plus b dx, that's equal to 1 by a into f of x plus b plus constant. That means okay, so if x is, so replaced, so x is replaced by ax plus b, where so a comma b are constants and a is not equal to 0. Okay, so the standard result, the standard result is unchanged. So standard result unchanged when so RHS is, that is also provided divided by E, that is so quotient of x. Now we have the some standard results. Okay, some standard results. First one is integral of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. So we know that so integral of so x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant, where here so n is not equal to minus 1. So similarly you can write, so this is equal to ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. But so we have to write this x quotient, that is a, on denominator plus constant. Now, so what is the formula of integral of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx? 1 by a into ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. So next one. So integral of so e to the power of so ax plus b dx. Okay. We know integral of e power x dx is equal to e power x plus constant. So integral of e power ax plus b dx is equal to so e to the power of ax plus b, but we have to write this quotient of x, that is a, on denominator plus constant. Now what is the formula of so integral of e to the power of ax plus b dx? 1 by a into e to the power of ax plus b plus constant. Suppose we have integral of 1 by ax plus b dx. Okay, so we know that integral of so 1 by x dx, this is equal to log of modulus of x plus constant. So this is equal to log of so ax plus b. Okay, so but we have to write the x quotient, that is a, on the denominator plus constant. Now what is the formula of integral of 1 by x plus b dx? 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus constant. Suppose the integral of So cos of ax plus b dx. So what is the formula of integral of cos x dx? Sin x. So we write sin of ax plus b, but we write the quotient of x, that is a on the denominator, plus constant. So what is the formula of now? Integral of cos of ax plus b dx, 1 by a into sin of ax plus b plus constant. Suppose the integral of sin of ax plus b dx. What is integral of sin x dx? Minus cos x. Simply write minus. So cos of ax plus b, but so this x coefficient, that is a, should be on the denominator, plus constant. Now what is the formula of integral of sin of ax plus b dx? That is minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b plus constant. Integral of secant of ax plus b tan of ax plus b dx. What is the formula of integral of secant x tan x? Integral of secant x tan x is secant x. Simply write secant of ax plus b, but we have to write the x coefficient, that is a on the denominator, 1 by e plus constant. So integral of secant of ax plus b tan of ax plus b dx, that's equal to 1 by a into secant of ax plus b plus constant. Similarly, you can write other results also. Thank you.